Hello, you're watching part 2 of Soils Day 3 in Gardening Camp. This is Madi Musick explaining how to determine soil texture type. For this example, we have 1 inch of sand, 1/4 an inch of silt, and 3/4 an inch of clay. Something really important to remember is that if your total soil is 2 inches, the combined measurements of your sand, silt, and clay cannot exceed 2 inches. Now you'll need to calculate the percent. I've already provided the formulas for you. You'll see that we have the same fraction, sand over total soil times 100. This will give you a percent. Go ahead and make the calculations now. Now that you have your percents, you'll see them listed here on the screen. Were you right? Each percent adds up to 100%, which is incredibly important when we're using the soil textural triangle. Keep in mind that your sand goes up, your silt goes downwards, and your clay goes straight across. Try to determine your soil texture. The soil texture for this example is sandy clay. Did you get it right? Here's another example. For this one, we have 3/4 an inch of sand, 1 inch of silt, and 1/4 an inch of clay. Go ahead and write out your fractions. Using the formula provided, calculate the percent. Once you have the percents that you've calculated, go ahead and double check with what I've done. Do they match? Now go ahead and try to determine the soil texture. You may have noticed that the soil texture type for this example falls on a line. For this one, you can choose either or, loam or silt loam. Using the measurements provided, go ahead and complete the third example on your own. As I'm sure you've noticed, this example has no silt content. So for this soil texture, you should have gotten sandy clay.